Hi, Maryann Roses Udell in Another Moment with Maryann. Have you ever really sat and watched a bird as it's coasting in a current, where it just seems to float effortlessly, only flapping its wings when it has to? It's rather relaxing and calming. Boy, wouldn't that be great to be like the bird, just sort of floating along, only exerting the energy when you have to. And maybe there are times we could do that. Don't work so hard. Pay attention to the birds. They agree. I'll see you tomorrow with Another Moment with Maryann. Bye.